Clients in a Wi-Fi environment face a range of issues, including but not limited to poor coverage, high contention, high interference, client network capabilities, and their modes of operation. CloudVision Wi-Fi not only displays these symptoms for easy referencing by network admins, but also explains the possible root causes of the issues being faced by clients, along with recommendations to fix the issue. These references and associated recommendations help network administrators quickly identify and rectify end-user network issues. CloudVision uses an inference engine that recommends actions based on observations, system knowledge, and domain knowledge. There are many ways in which this inference engine can be leveraged for troubleshooting client issues. A network admin can choose to generate inferences either for a group of clients or one particular client. As you can see here, the CloudVision Wi-Fi dashboard displays clients facing performance issues. A network admin can drill down into one category of performance issues from this dashboard to see the details of all the affected clients. For example, an admin can select a group of clients experiencing poor performance due to high retry percentage. By further drilling down into this group of clients, the admin can see the clients grouped by their common characteristics, such as associated SSID, frequency band of operation, their Wi-Fi capabilities. The network administrator now simply needs to click on this option here to look for root causes for all the affected clients. Let us then take a look at what constitutes the inference engine. Observations, system knowledge, domain knowledge, and symptoms are the building blocks of the Arista inference engine. The observations in the inference engine consist of a list of clients that are exhibiting some problem, as well as a list of clients that are working well. Each of these lists contain data on Wi-Fi parameters for all these clients. Domain knowledge is captured using a dependency graph. For example, poor Wi-Fi coverage and sticky client issues depend on low RSSI values. All such dependencies are captured in a graph. The system knowledge contains parameters that capture the state of the Wi-Fi monitoring system. These are parameters such as the location tree, status of auto transmit power, is it on or off. A symptom is an externally observable parameter that indicates if something is wrong with the system and the clients. Some common symptoms in a Wi-Fi environment are low data rate and poor application experience. The inference engine looks at the observations and infers which of the many root causes are responsible for one or more of the symptoms. This engine helps the user identify a subset of root causes out of the many that are possible. For example, if there are 10 possible root causes as to why a set of clients may face low data rates, the Wi-Fi inference engine can deduce that only 2 out of those 10 root causes are responsible for the issue. And that is how it saves time. As you can see, this is the user interface for the CloudVision Wi-Fi system. Let us check the performance dashboard to get a quick overview of clients facing performance issues. There are a few clients facing high retry percentage at this location. Drilling down further will display a list of all the affected clients. As you can see, the clients are grouped by their common characteristics, such as their capability, the location, associated access point, and the associated SSID. We will now set the inference generation in motion to do a collective analysis of the possible issues being faced by these clients. This has found out root causes for 2 out of the 4 clients. This screen here displays the generated inferences so the network admin can take quick and corrective action to resolve the reported issues. Further, the network admin can drill down in the context of this inference into the list of the affected clients and see more relevant information for these clients with respect to the inference that was generated. We're back to the performance dashboard here. A network admin can also choose to generate inferences for a single client who may have been facing some performance issues. To see a list of all such clients that are visible to the system, the admin needs to go to the monitor view here. From here, the admin can now search for a client of interest. Say Olive's laptop is the one who was facing issues. Searching for this laptop will now display all the details of this device. The inference engine generates inferences to see what issues are being faced by this and possible recommendations. As you can see here, there are two issues here. One is of high contention and there is another issue of high Wi-Fi interference. How do you fix this? The engine has determined that the best way to fix this is to fine-tune the radio settings and change channel locations to auto. Similarly, for high contention, the best way to fix this is to go in the radio settings and fine-tune the settings out there. So be it a single client facing some problem or a bunch of clients complaining about Wi-Fi issues, the inference engine quickly determines the root cause of the problems and gives recommendations to network admins on ways to remedy the situation.